Welcome. In this video, we'll go over how you can prevent the animated spoiler effect in chats on the Telegram app for PC, following the latest update. If you've recently noticed spoiler text in your chats appearing with animated effects, and you'd prefer to keep things simple and distraction-free, this step-by-step guide will help you turn that feature off in just a few clicks. First, open your Telegram app on your computer. Once the main window is open, look toward the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 small horizontal lines. Go ahead and click on those lines to open the main menu. Next, from the menu that appears, select Settings. This will bring you into the area where you can manage your account preferences, appearance, notifications, and more. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Battery and Animations. This is where Telegram groups all of the options related to animation effects and performance, so you can adjust them to your liking. Now, click on the option that says Animations in Chats. Here, you'll see different toggle options, and one of them is specifically for the animated spoiler effect. By default, it may already be switched on. To disable it, simply uncheck that box. This will stop spoilers in your chats from appearing with that animated reveal effect. Once you've unchecked the animated spoiler option, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the screen. This makes sure your new setting is locked in and applied immediately. And that's all it takes. From now on, when you encounter spoiler text in any Telegram conversation on your PC, it will appear without the animated effect, giving you a cleaner and distraction-free chat experience. This small adjustment can make a big difference, especially if you prefer smooth and simple conversations without too many visual effects getting in the way. Telegram's customization options really allow you to shape the app the way you want, and disabling the animated spoiler effect is just one of the many ways you can do that. I hope this guide helped you out.